If you want to know how to swap your BTC to USDT right here on the Binance app, then you have to watch this video to the end. I'll be taking you through the step-by-step guide on how to go about it. And then in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how I trade the perpetuals right here on BTC on Binance. So if you're new in this channel, kindly ensure you watch this video to the end and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future updates whenever I drop it. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you should be doing is to log into your Binance app. And then when you log into your Binance app, the first thing you should do is to make sure that this is toggled to the exchange section, okay? This is toggled to the exchange section. Normally by default is always on the exchange side, all right? So if you've known that, now the next step you are going to be doing is to click right here at the trade section, all right? So you click right here, so you tap on it. Then when you tap on it, it will show up this. Make sure that you are on the spot section, okay? After making sure that you're on the spot section, any amount you have right here on your BTC is going to be showing. If you have, let's say 1,000 worth of BTC, it's going to be showing right here, all right? And it's even going to be reflecting right here. So any amount of BTC you have is going to be reflecting right here. Now, for you to be able to swap to the USDT is that, note that, what I want you to note that here in this BTC, this section is called the buy and this section is called the sell. So whatever that is here in the buy can be sold to to whatever that is in the sell section, and whatever that is in the sell section can also be sold to whatever that is in the buy section. All right. So I just want you to understand that here is the buy section and here is the sell section when it comes to perpetuals. All right. So let's say you have, for example, you have some 1,000 worth of BTC right here in the wallet in your exchange. For you to be able to swap it, you have to toggle that amount. Since you have 1,000 worth of BTC here, you have to toggle it on today, right? All right. So what you are going to be doing is to click on this, all right? Is to click on this sign over here, all right? Normally it's always going to be at the buy section by default, but you have to toggle it on to the right, all right? So what I'm going to be doing is, normally it's always like this, okay? Whenever I see it like this, just what you have to be doing is you have to push it over to the right, all right? Then when you push it over to the right now, it is going to show like this. Fine. This, when it shows like this, then know that you're about to swap your BTC. So the next step you are going to do is to click on this limit right here. Change this limit settings to the market order. All right. So you tap on this little button over here, drop down over here. You tap on it. Then you change it to the market, all right? Turn it over to the market section. You tap on that market right here. Then after tapping on that market right now, you're automatically going to be seeing this, all right? The market price of the BTC is going to be showing, all right? And then what you have to be doing now is to drag this thing to the right, drag this little pin right here to the right. So you drag it to the right. Whenever you drag that to the right, every amount of BTC you have here, every amount of BTC you have right here is gonna be swapped. If you are toggling it, swapping it to the right, it means that you want to sell everything, the 1K worth of BTC that you have. But if you swap it, if you swap it to the middle, it means you want to sell 50% of the BTC. But in case you want to sell all the whole BTC, then you have to swap it to the right, all right? Then when you swap it to the right, now you now come over here and click on this sell button, all right? When you click on that sell button right now, the amount is gonna show. All right. Then when you click on this sell button now, you verify the transaction. All right. Another button is going to load up for you to verify the transaction. Then when you verify that transaction, it's automatically going to be swapped. All right. Your BTC right here is going to be swapped to your USDT. All right. And then you can go ahead and cash out. You can go ahead and sell it to P2P and cash out immediately. All right. So that is how you need to, that is what you need to do to be able to swap your BTC to the USDT. If there is any other thing you want to know, or if there's any other thing you do not understand, drop it in the comment section and reply in 5 minutes. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.